All right, hello and welcome. Y'all asked, and here he is. This is the new little guy. I totally forgot at the end of my last video, but I put a little note if you guys wanted to see him, let me know, and I put him in my next video. But this is my little man. He is a Netherland dwarf rabbit. He's about 2-ish years old, so he's full grown, full size, and he is the cutest little guy. You want to turn around? Got cute little ears, cute little mustache. And he's been in some, not in any of my videos, but he is, since he just arrived, I have had him in my bathroom just to make sure he's healthy before introducing him to the rest of my rabbits and keeping him there. So anyway, I often hear him as I'm recording. I made a comment in my last video, which you can see up here, or here, I forget which side it is. But anyway, I meant to show him and then I forgot, but here he is, and I'm trying to think of a name for him. So if you have any name ideas for this cute little broken black Netherland dwarf buck, I am all ears. His official name on his pedigree is Punisher, but I feel like that's not, it just doesn't fit him. It's such a harsh name. I want something nice and strong and cute because he's so adorable. I love him so much. Yeah, what's up, big boy? What do you think? He's like, it is very bright in here, Mama. Don't like it. Nope, not at all. But yeah, he's super cute. I love the little nose on the rabbits. Yeah? What you think? I don't know. I keep going back and forth on what type of name I want for him, so I've just been calling him little dude, little guy, that type of thing, because he's so little and so soft, and you're gonna see little furs, little pieces of fur floating around because he is molting out one of his coats or whatever, the season to molt out his coat. So every time I stroke him, it's just like hair or fur, whatever, coming off. But yeah, this is my little Netherland, and I meant to show him last time and I totally forgot. What do you think? What do you think, big boy? You don't know? He's so quiet and calm. He's very calm, which I love, because if you know me, I love rabbits, but I love to be able to snuggle with them and hold them and, you know, them not spaz out on me. And this guy is very calm. He likes it to be quiet, so he is adjusting to the loudness of our household with having kids and all that. But it's been good having him in our bathroom because it allows that kind of separation to adjust to the noise from a distance. And then that way, hopefully, when he goes with the rest of the rabbits, which are a little bit closer to all the noise, he'll adjust just fine. Yeah, won't you, buddy? Won't you? But anyway, here he is. He's just so little. But yeah, I'll pull him out at the end maybe after I finish my makeup. But I just wanted to start and show you guys that this is the rabbit that keeps me company when I'm doing my makeup for the last, I think 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I forget how long he's been here. And he's just so sweet, so cute. Right? All right, let me go put him back. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have fur in my lip gloss, let's get into this. Hang on, my dog's barking. Okay, it was a package, that's why my dog was barking. But let's move in to the other part of this video that I'm doing because y'all asked me to. But today I'm going to be using, once again, the Solmane 2 palette, the Moon Wish palette. However, I'm going to do something that this lovely lady asked me to, and that is to use the yellow and purple. And when I read that comment, I was like, yes, absolutely. As I was doing the look, I think I even commented, like, I really wanted to do a yellow and purple look, and today I've got to go out this evening, so I want to do my makeup anyway. So I was like, you know what, we'll make this whole video just doing this because y'all asked me to. Not that I'm like dragging my heels or anything, but you guys did ask to see the rabbit and did ask to see a different color look with it. I saw a lot of the blue and purple, obviously, because I feel like it's just a blue purple palette, but a lot of people doing the color combination. So I want to play with that yellow and see how much, like how intense that yellow is going to be. So we're going to create a purple and yellow look with using a little bit of the brown just to kind of ground it out. I think I did use the purple in the outer corner my first look, and I was going back and forth if I should use the brown in the outer corner just to do something different, but I think I'm going to keep the purple in the outer corner, and I'll just do just purple because in the last video I did purple and brown, mixed them together. But I'll do a little bit of brown or beige or whatever, taupe, that's the word I'm looking for, that taupey color in the front. Interruption, what, number 2, 3 now? One of my kids was trying to do tricks, ninja tricks, or be a ninja in his room, so had to go and console him from an injury. Anyway, let's move on. I don't know where I was when I stopped, so we're just going to jump back into it. I am going to do purple on the outside and more of a taupey color on the inside. Let's go ahead and just jump into that taupey color. I'm going to take Dust, which is this color right here. I'm going to put it on the inner corner, or like the inner corner of the crease area. So anyway, I think I was just telling you guys that I'm doing this video because I got a comment saying that they really wished I would have stayed away from the blue and purple and done the purple and yellow. So I was like, you know what? I gotta sit down today and do my makeup anyway. Today is Wednesday. So let me go ahead and record it real quick while I'm doing it, and I can put this video out whenever I have time. Hopefully it won't take me too long to edit. So I should get it out in another day or so. I can't believe tomorrow's the 4th. What are y'all doing for the 4th of July? Independence Day? Any special plans? We don't have anything super big. We're just gonna spend it with family. And I think this year we actually are, usually most years we go to the local fireworks show at the end of the night for our town and just watch it there, but we might do something different this year. Which I'd be down for because that means I'd get to go to bed sooner, because the local one doesn't do it till like 9:30 because they want like dark. And then if you go to a local, I don't know if it's the same in everywhere, but like when it's over, everyone's going to leave, and it being a small town with small roads and tons of cars everywhere, it takes like an hour just to pull out and like get in line to get out of that area and get home. So it usually would result in a late night. So we might just do personal little fireworks, especially because the kids are getting older and asking those questions of like, can we shoot off our own fireworks type of thing? So we might do a good intro to fireworks safety, and, you know, start that whole process of letting them see fireworks a little bit up close. Those small ones. I don't like big scary ones. I like little small ones, like the little popper things you throw on the ground. It goes, psst. Those are great. And then the little sparklers, even though those are dangerous in the hands of little kids, it's like, don't touch anyone. All right, so we're going into the purple. So anyway, let me know what your Independence Day plans are. I'd be curious to know. I like to keep it pretty low-key when it comes to, I don't know, holidays. Unless, I'm trying to think, we don't usually do anything crazy. Sometimes we'll go do, see the parades and stuff like that on holidays, because my kids just like it. So we'll do like the Christmas parade, even though last year's it got canceled because it rained. But the Christmas parade we usually do, and then Veterans Day parade. And I don't think we do too many other parades. I'm trying to think. They don't have one for 4th of July, which I was kind of surprised. But I guess that's for the, you know, they do a parade for Veterans Day instead for the year. I don't know. Anyway. This green, oh my gosh, this purple is really pretty. What do you guys think of the palette? Because I'm curious to know if you guys are into it. I guess you probably already put that all in the comments of the other video. But if you didn't see that video and you're just now joining me with this video, you're welcome to go check that video out, because I have a different look there where I used more of the blues. But let me know what you think if you didn't mention it over there. All right, so we're gonna put down a nice little layer of dark purple here, and then I'm going to take, what am I gonna do? I don't know. Let's take this brush. Yeah, this should work. I'm gonna go into Planet, which is the next step lighter in the purple, and we're going to bring this into the crease and meet that taupey shade. Ooh. I always like doing my eye makeup first, because like when I do oopsies like that, it's no big deal because I can just wipe it off with a baby wipe before doing my face and nobody's the wiser. Whereas if I do my face first, it's like, oh shoot, now I gotta like try to dust it away, and if it does too much foundation or concealer away, then I gotta put it back on, but it's always just a little cakey looking if you do too many layers, and you know, first world problems here. But anyway, yeah, I felt really bad when I went to edit that video and realized I never brought out the rabbit after talking about it, so I put that little note. But yeah, he's another little addition to my rabbits. I just like rabbits, if you're curious why we raise them right now. My kids are showing some of them Holland Lops, but I get Netherland Dwarfs, and I've been raising them just because I really like them. I just really like them. And down the road I have thought it would be really cool to get to show them, but I don't know how soon that'll be, like actual, not just show with 4-H and whatnot, but actually show at the official games. But I don't know if I'll ever get there, just because it's a lot to travel to shows and whatnot, but it'd be neat to do, so it's something I'm keeping track of and like keeping up with, thinking down the road if things do, you know, slow down as the kids get older, or if they really show interest in wanting to do more, then we could possibly do that. And if the kids are showing, then hey, maybe I'll show a little bit, because I just love Netherland Dwarfs. They're so cute. Dark Matter. This has glitter in it, but we're going to take just a touch of it around the edges and see what we think about it, because I didn't use this the other day. It's a nice light really light purple. Oh, it's like a light purple blue. It could go in a blue look too. Okay, that looked a lot more purple, but as I'm diving into it, it definitely has a blue tinge to it. So I'm gonna use this a little bit more sparingly than I thought. I'm just gonna take the same brush and go back into that planet, which is the purple, because I didn't really want to introduce blue into this look. So let's tone that down back into purple. Abort, abort. Okay, good to know. That shade, I mean, I guess maybe if I'm really looking at it, it has that like blue purple look. Or tone to it. What is that called? The blue purple periwinkle? Has that type. Speaking of periwinkle, I'm actually getting a female rabbit into NETHERLAND DWARF who her name is Periwinkle, and I think that's so cute. She is a lilac otter. Oops, wrong color. I'm going into the dark. Lilac otter in her coloring, and she's so cute. I want to pair her and him and this one together. Anyway, Periwinkle. That's probably why it was at the top of my head, because that's her name, and I'm looking forward to her coming. She's coming in a week, roughly. I just wanted to put more purple because I felt like I softened the look up a bit, and I like it as dark as I can. There we go. All right, now is the hard part, because we're gonna do the cut crease, all matte cut crease. So I have to start with, what do you call it, concealer. And I'm gonna do a lighter concealer. Whoops. And we're gonna go in with, should I do P. Louise? Why not? P. Louise base. This is the 02 Rumor color. I haven't ever paid attention when I'm editing if you can actually hear him, because he's like hopping around in there and I can hear him a little bit, but I don't know if it's loud enough that it would pick up on my mic since it's so far away. But we're going to go, and I'm never the greatest at cut creases, but you really gotta be pretty precise when it comes to matte cut creases, just because everything shows up, every mistake. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer because that always makes me feel like I have a little bit more control over things. And we're gonna see how precise I can get, and I'll probably stop talking a lot because I gotta concentrate. But I think this will be really pretty with the yellow and the purple and a little bit of the brown. I don't know why I wanted to add the brown except to just add another color. This would be really pretty with the purple all throughout, but I like to have as many colors, even brown, in a look as I can. Okay, my son came in and needed to talk, so I went ahead and finished the cut crease and put this yellow on. As you can see, it shows up really well. Honestly, I'm impressed by how bright it is, because I really thought it would be lighter than this, even packing it on. I don't know, it just looks so light in the pan. It could be the shade of concealer I'm using underneath, because I'm not using anything too dark. I'm using a pretty like lighter toned skin tone color than me, so that really helps it stand out, I think. But I am very pleased with how this is showing up. So I'm gonna go like this and put the yellow all over. I'm just tapping it on top of that cut crease. And the nice thing about putting a layer of cut crease that's nice and wet down and then packing this on top is that if I go a little bit outside of those edges, especially with this being so light, I can just take a little brush. Probably should use the brown, Katie. Let me take a little brush and dust it away, and you can't even tell. All right, so now I'm gonna take this second to lightest color, purple here. I might take the darkest one, but I'm gonna start with this one. And then I'm going to put it here and use that lighter color. I feel like will be really pretty for the blend. Like that. Oh, sorry, my phone is going off. My apologies. Ooh, that's pretty. So going like that, and then just kind of going up at an angle. This is just because I feel like it looks best on my eye shape. I've learned over the years, I just like how it looks when my eyes are open. If I do it at an angle like this. But there we go. I like how it looks. There is a spot here that I don't love, but since there's nothing on this side and only on this side, I'm pretty sure that's my error with the concealer. Maybe I did it like didn't do it evenly in that spot, that type of thing. I really don't think it's a eyeshadow issue since it's not on the other side and it's patchy, like it had trouble sticking down. So like I missed, like I said, like I missed a little bit on putting concealer down, oops, evenly, which I dropped a brush, sorry. I was talking with my son when I was doing, no, not this side. Oh yes, I was talking with my son when I was putting the concealer down on this side. So I might not have been as even and precise and make sure it was nice and an even application that was thin enough on this side. Because this side looks great, which is fine. I just want to point it out in case you can see. I feel like there's just a little bare spot there. And I got a zit coming in right here. That hurts. Anyway, moving on. This is the look. I like how it looks. I think it blended beautifully, and I am going to go ahead and stop the video here. I'm going to finish the under eyes, which are just going to be versions and shades of the purples that I put on the outer edge. I'm going to bring it around, and I'll probably put a little bit of yellow in here, and then I'll use this, where was it? This shade right here as the inner corner, which I did in my last video as well if you want to see me apply it. But I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, do my face, and then I'll come back on to show you guys the final look and show you my rabbit one more time, my little guy, little dude, one more time. Still thinking of a name. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, let me know. I like the name Zorro because he's got like the little mustache, you know, like in the Mask of Zorro, he's got the little mustache looking all handsome. But I have a dog named Zorro, so then I was like, we could call him like Little Zorro or call him Little Z for short, but I don't know if that's a bit much, like I said, to have both a rabbit and a dog named Zorro, but that's neither here nor there. Let me go ahead and stop talking and I'll finish my face. I'll be right back. All right, and we are back. Here is the finished look, and here is the little guy, little dude again. Just hanging out. What you think, big boy? Here you go. But anyway, here is the final look. I really like how it turned out. I am very happy with that yellow on the lid. Like, look how bright it is. It always takes it down a notch in my videos occasionally. I don't look too washed out, so it might actually be pretty good. But I feel like you can see the yellow so well in the video. I love an all matte look. Yellow and purple together is a great combination. And yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this look and snuggling with my little dude. He's so cute. But anyway, that is pretty much the video. I just want to do this quick look. Oh, it's not quick. It's the normal length, but impromptu second time trying the Solmane 2. After I saw that comment, I was like, you know what? I really do want to do that type of look, and I got to do my makeup today, so let's sit down and do it. So I hope you enjoyed this second look at the Solmane 2, what's it called? Moon Wish palette. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know your name suggestions for this little guy with the cute little mustache. I think I already showed in the beginning. Oh, don't jump. But he's got a cute little broken mustache across his nose and on his cheeks. And the cutest little nose. Yeah, and the biggest little eyes. So, leave those suggestions down below if you have any. And that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really enjoyed getting to sit down and do this video. Getting to snuggle a little bit with my little guy. And then also create this purple look. It's really pretty and I'm going to have fun wearing it. So, with that said, that's going to do it for me. Thank you guys so very much for watching. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.